Have you ever heard the saying, spring forward, fall back? It's what people say to help them remember to change their clocks for daylight saving time. Daylight saving time happens twice a year, once in the spring and once in fall. In spring, people move their clocks 1 hour forward. In fall, they move their clocks 1 hour back. Daylight saving time began in Germany about 100 years ago as a way to save energy. During the First World War, there was not enough coal. The Germans noticed that when people woke up earlier, they used less coal to heat their homes. By the end of the war, other countries such as the United States, Britain, and Canada had also started following daylight saving time. These days, many people want to get rid of daylight saving time. They say there's no longer a reason to keep doing it. But for people who live in northern countries, it's very helpful, especially during winter. In places like Norway and Sweden, daylight saving time makes it possible for children to walk back and forth to school in daylight. This is much safer than walking in the dark.